Most drivers panic when they see the word deactivated, but here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, deactivation is not final, and many drivers successfully get reinstated if they understand the appeal process correctly through DoorDash. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is sending emotional or unclear appeals. That usually slows things down or leads to rejection. In this video you will learn exactly why DoorDash deactivates accounts in 2026, how the appeal process really works, and the step-by-step method to improve your chances of getting reactivated. Let's start with the most common reasons for deactivation. DoorDash usually deactivates drivers for things like low completion rate, customer complaints, suspected fraud, background issues, or policy violations. Violations. But here's the problem. Sometimes drivers are deactivated due to system errors or false customer reports. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Not all deactivations are permanent. Some are review-based, which means you can appeal and potentially get your account restored. So let's go step by step. First, you need to check your email carefully. DoorDash will always send a message explaining the reason for deactivation. This email is important because your appeal must directly respond to that reason. Next, you go to the official DoorDash deactivation appeal form. This is where most people fail. They rush through it without giving clear facts. Instead, you should stay calm and structured. For example, if your account was flagged for completion rate issues, explain your situation clearly. Maybe an order was unassignable, or a store was closed. Keep it factual, not emotional. Now let's talk about timing. Appeals usually take anywhere from a few days to a couple of weeks. During this time, do not submit multiple appeals. That can slow down the review process. But here's something most drivers don't realize. The quality of your explanation matters more than length. A short, clear, respectful appeal often performs better than a long, emotional message. Let's look at an example. A driver named Alex got deactivated for alleged customer complaints. He submitted a calm explanation with timestamps and delivery details. His account was reinstated within a week. Another driver, Jake, submitted multiple angry appeals and had to wait much longer without success. Now here's another key tip. Always double-check your driving record and app history before submitting your appeal. If there is any mistake or misunderstanding, clarify it immediately in your message. So what happens after you submit the appeal? DoorDash reviews your case manually. They check your history, customer feedback, and any supporting information you provided. If they find no major violation, your account can be reactivated. So the final takeaway is simple. Deactivation is serious, but not always permanent. A clear, calm, and factual appeal gives you the best chance of getting back on the platform. If this helped, like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more real-world DoorDash driver guides that help you recover faster and avoid mistakes in the future.